Hello everybody and welcome to this review of the cheap diecast. Now how cheap is this? This costs 3 ringgit or 60 cents euro or 70 cents US. Now it's a 3-inch size, so approximately 164. It comes with this window box with a lot of wordings, made in China. This is the brand, if you can read it. Hey Yung Ong Zan, something like that. It says alloy car. Now in China they like to use the word alloy because that is the translation for diecast. It says fashion, pretty, durable. And some more hilarious wordings here. The happiest angel bear all playing time in his mind. Don't know what that means, but let's look at the car. Now I bought this because it appears to look like a Range Rover, and it says here RAN, yeah, Range Rover, isn't it? But they appears to have forgotten about this pillar here, which I will do using a tape. Cut it into thin slices like this. Just to make the cheap diecast more bearable. Insert at the place that you want the pillars. Cut off any excess amount and squeeze the top part inside, and you have the pillars. Something that Hey Yung Zong Han failed to do. Okay, cut off the excess part, squeeze the rest inside, and what appears to be a generic Range Rover. They do this door handle very hilariously, and the few filler cap as well. Front are painted silver, nothing in the rear, and I'm going to leave it that way. Now why I don't use the red marker to make the red light, because it's dark blue. The red marker will not be able to go over, it will look black. So there you go. I hope you like this short review of this cheap diecast. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.